Today's news headline is Myanmar junta rejects Jamaat-e-Islam's Rohingya state proposal. Details of the news. Myanmar's military government has rejected a proposal reportedly made by Bangladesh Jamaat-e-Islami to establish a separate state for the Rohingya in Rakhine State. The proposal surfaced following a meeting between Jamaat-e-Islam and the Communist Party of China (CPC) on 27th April in Dhaka. Media outlets reported that Jamaat-e-Islami suggested the creation of an independent state in Rakhine for the Rohingya community. This led to an immediate response for the Myanmar's military regime, which labeled the proposal as a threat to the country's sovereignty. Jamaat-e-Islami's deputy chief Syed Abdullah Muhammad Tahir later clarified that the party's intention was not to seek the creation of a separate state but to advocate for the safe and dignified repatriation of the Rohingya refugees currently living in Bangladesh. Tahir highlighted the dire living conditions faced by the estimated 1.1 to 1.2 million Rohingyas in Bangladesh and stressed the need for a secure zone to be established for them in Rakhine. According to Tahir, the party's proposal aimed to facilitate their return to Myanmar, with China playing a potential role in facilitating the process due to its close ties with Myanmar. In response, Myanmar's junta condemned the proposal, accusing Jamaat-e-Islami of attempting to undermine Myanmar's sovereignty and seek political advantage by engaging with the CPC. Myanmar reiterated its position that refugees should return to their homeland through a formal verification process, and that sufficient accommodation for the returnees had been prepared. The crisis began in August 2017 when over 750,000 Rohingya fled Myanmar's Rakhine State following a violent military crackdown. Since then, repatriation efforts have faltered due to safety concerns and lack of guarantees for the Rohingya citizenship. The situation worsened after Myanmar's military coup in 2021, which effectively ended diplomatic negotiations. Recent ethnic armed conflict and violence in Rakhine have caused over 80,000 additional refugees to cross into Bangladesh, further complicating the already dire humanitarian situation.